like to be a different side of me. I found a different side of me, like someone playing me. A different side of me.
Welcome to Friday? Is it Friday? I think it's Friday. All of yesterday, we didn't really talk to the camera at all. We went to Xel-Ha, to this water park in the jungle. It was kind of cool. So today,
we're doing nothing.
We're doing nothing, so we're not going to have any footage. So there's not going to be anything from today. It's crazy, so I didn't know this. We've never really been to a resort before, but people camp out their towels way early in the morning. They go down and put towels on some chairs down by the pool way early in the morning to get like the best spot, which is kind of ridiculous because that's not vacation. Waking up super early just to go down to put your towel down, it's like you're stressing about it. I don't get it. Most of the chairs don't even have people on them right now. They put it down there just to put it down there. See how only half of those chairs are full? That's what I mean. They just put their towels out sometime early in the morning and then they leave them. Anyway, so that's gonna be our days. Laying out by the pool, jumping in the ocean every once in a while, drinking. The first day we were here, we saw this dude who had like it looked like an oversized, were like the pump bottles.
Like the gallon-sized conditioner bottles?
And it actually had on it pictures of like margarita glasses. And so it was a pump bottle, and I'm assuming he made like a big thing of margarita and he was just carrying it around with him, and he had a little plastic cup and he was pumping a little bit into the plastic cup, drinking it.
Why even bother with plastic cups? Pump it in your mouth.
Or that, yeah. Straight in the mouth.